All right, hello, good morning, Algebra 2 students. Today is definitely test day for especially those of you at home. You'll be taking it online and Schoology. Those of you that are in class will be taking it on paper. Just one quick announcement about the switch over to full-time distance learning. I learned a couple things yesterday that weren't in the video because I didn't learn them until later. So one is the schedule change. So I updated here where you can go for attending live class Monday through Thursday, which will be starting on Monday the 16th. And the updates to this, again, the hours are different. So we have 45 minutes and then a 15-minute break between hours. So again, the lesson will go 15 to 30 minutes and then you'll have work time at the end of that. So it's a different times than what was on there yesterday because the principals just finally got stuff to us yesterday during the day. The other thing is attendance will still be done same way as before. So you'll go to campus, click the attendance link, go in there and check yourself in. So that is a change also from, I think, what I said yesterday. So just a couple quick updates for you. Good luck with the test. Reach out if you have any questions.